Hey guys, check out the Wahl USA Rechargeable Lithium-ion all-in-one beard trimmer, built for precision grooming. This complete grooming system includes 3 attachment heads for beard, detail, and ear and nose trimming. It comes with multiple guide combs for different lengths, a detail brush, and a soft carrying case. The lithium-ion battery offers quick charging with 1 minute giving 3 minutes of use and a full charge lasting up to 3.5 hours. Wahl's self-sharpening blades stay sharp longer and maintain peak performance over time. Designed with a no-slip silicone grip, it provides excellent control for precise trimming. Trusted by professionals since 1919, this trimmer delivers salon-quality results right at home. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.